This is the wide range 8-speed internal assembly into the hub shell. With some Castrol CLS 00 grease, apply it to the pawls on the end of the internal assembly and also inside on the ratchet ring. And it's helpful to apply grease to the threads of the hub shell. And thread it in. It should go in all the way. If there's resistance, rotate the driver backwards to allow the pawls to engage the ratchet ring inside. And of course this will be in a wheel when you're working on it. Use the ball cup spanner to tighten the ball cup very firmly, and it'll be in a wheel, so use the wheel as leverage. Then in a vise, clamp the hub, use some Castrol LMX grease in the labyrinth and inside the bearing area. Thread on the left side cone and use the special nut runner tighten the cone down finger tight until it just touches. Then 6.4 millimeter lock nut. Runners make it go faster. Then use the wheel rim to check for play and adjust the bearing and tighten the lock nut to 8.5 Newton meters. Check the bearing adjustment. It should be smooth and turn easily, and there shouldn't be any play at the rim. The last step is to install the thin lock nut, and the nut runner will spin it down. And it also tightens to 8.5 Newton meters. And then you're done.